Welcome to this video. Today will guide you through on how to set up Hey Google on your Android device. So the first thing you do is go to your app library and search for Google. Open up the Google app, then go to your profile on the top right corner, scroll down and select settings. Then you'll see Google Assistant, select Google Assistant. And here you'll see in the first option, we have voice match. So Google needs to know your voice first. So we'll click on voice match and then select setup. So here we will record some phrases that Google will give us so that Google will recognize our voices. So we will select agree. And here we start. Okay, Google, help me write a thank you note. So we need to say the phrases. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey, Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And we're all done. Then we say done. So Google is helping us improve audio technologies. This is not important. We say not now. And then we go back to the main settings to allow Gemini to access the Hey Google feature. So we select the Gemini option. And then in this list of options, we will select the option that says talk to Gemini hands-free. So in this option, we will select this, we'll turn it on. That means Gemini will understand us and will work by just the phrase, Hey Google. So let me close settings and let us try this out by giving you an example by saying, Hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? And as you can see, it is working. And that is how you set up Hey Google on your Android device. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.